Most people don't realize our glass actually never stops moving. Here's how our glass goes from batch to sheet at Oceanside Glass. It all starts with raw materials we mix together and call batch. Silica sand, soda ash, and limestone make up about 85% of most of our formulas. From there, we add specific metallic oxides like copper oxide, along with other ingredients to create different colors and effects. When it comes to what goes into our glass, you can rest assured that as a lead-free and an arsenic-free facility, those materials are not present in our glass at any point in the process. Once the batch is mixed, those dry materials are fed into the furnace, running at over 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit. As new batch enters the furnace, it slowly displaces the molten glass below it, pushing the glass forward into a steady, continuous flow. This is called the continuous ribbon system, and we're the only manufacturer in the world using this specific process to make colored art glass. At this stage, the glass is one uniform color. Additional colors are melted separately in smaller furnaces called day tanks. From there, the molten color is introduced into a moving stream, sometimes by hand, and sometimes with the assistance of Al, or Alejandro as we call him, our automatic ladler. Al is a specialized robot customized and built to move over 50 pounds of molten glass per scoop, working alongside our team every few minutes to help maintain rhythm and consistency, while the final control always stays with our operators. As the ribbon continues forward, it passes through water cooling forming rolls that shape it into an evenly thick sheet, and any texture is then applied to it at this stage. Depending on the look, operators use several different techniques, from the soft flowing movements found in our Wispies, to the tight and loose swirling motions of the iconic opal art stir found in Baroque's and Fuser's reserves, to even spirit glass, where we launch frit directly into the stirring bay and stretch it to produce small dashes of color. Each style has its own rhythm and timing, and the way everything is introduced and guided is what makes every sheet feel unique. The glass then moves through a series of ovens called lyres, where it is gradually brought down to room temperature. This annealing stage is one of the most important parts of the process, helping ensure the glass is durable and strong. At the end of the line, each sheet is inspected, cut into 2x4 sheets, and placed into wooden crates that are shipped to distributors all over the world.